does your AI still sound like AI? It's because you never give ChatGPT this prompt, tell it exactly how to talk, what to say, what to avoid, so it sounds more natural, more human. Now, here's how to use it. First, open your ChatGPT, click Personalization. Find the customer instructions, paste your prompt, save. Every chat feels like talking to a real person. I've already put the full prompt in my bio. Or comment human, I'll send it to you directly.